morning, children. Welcome back to Max Track 1 session. And children, by today we are winding up the chapter also, that is exercise 3.6. The 3.7 is optional, so it's not compulsory. So 3.6, and we finished even first Roman, all the model sums up to 8. First Roman 8 sums we completed. Okay. And still, if you have any doubts regarding that, you can feel free to ask me and send me a message if possible. Okay, it is if you have any doubts, to be frank. Okay, and do one thing, children, just practice all the model sums like substitution method and elimination method and exercise 3.6 that model sums just once again, so you will get one clarity about this simplifications very clearly. Okay, now coming to second question, that is exercise 3.6, page number 67. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solutions. The first question is, Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Find her speed of the rowing in still water and the speed of the current. Okay, children, this type of model question is very important. Actually, if it is like subjective type, means this question is compulsory in the examination. But mostly this type of sum they will give you at least for 1 mark also, like MCQs. So you can practice roughly and you can do the solution. Okay, listen very carefully now. So here, if you clearly observe, there is a water and here there is a boat. Okay. Now, the question is, Ritu can row downstream and upstream. Actually, what is this downstream and upstream? Downstream and upstream. So before that, you should know what is the first speed of the rowing in still water and speed of the current. What are these actually? Okay, listen very carefully. Children, if you clearly observe here, water is floating and the ship is lying on that. Okay, so speed of the rowing, and the question itself is given very clearly, speed of the rowing in still water. That means the boat is in still water. Okay, so speed of the boat rowing in still water, just take it as x kilometers per hour. Speed of the boat still water, you just take it as x kilometers per hour. And whereas speed of the current, that means water, that means you can take that one as y kilometers per hour. So speed of the boat, okay, rowing on the speed of the boat rowing, that is x kilometers per hour, and speed of the current y kilometers per hour. But how to find this downstream speed and upstream speed? To find the downstream speed, children, to find the speed of the downstream, we have to add both the speed of the rowing stream and speed of the current. That is nothing but x plus y. Okay, now coming to the upstream, okay, is we have to subtract these two. That means we have to get one clarity that when the downstream they ask, we have to add the speed of the rowing stream and speed of the current. When it is upstream, we have to do subtraction. You know why you have to do subtraction, children? You know the water level. వాటర్ ఇలా పైనుంచి కిందకు వస్తుంటే స్పీడ్గా మనం పైకి వెళ్తూ ఉంటాం. సో మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, స్పీడ్ ఎక్కువ యూజ్ చేస్తాం, కానీ మనం ఎంత స్పీడ్ చేసినా అదే, అంటే వాటర్ ఫ్లోటింగ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. సో దట్స్ వై ఆల్వేస్ మైనస్. ఓకే, అందుకే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఎప్పుడైనా వాటర్ కిందకు వస్తుందంటే డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ అప్స్ట్రీమ్ అంటే మనం పైకి వెళ్తున్నాం, వాటర్ ఫ్లోటింగ్ కిందకు వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో మనం పైకి వెళ్తున్నాం కాబట్టి వాటర్ కిందకు వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఆల్వేస్ మైనస్, రిమెంబర్ దట్. ఓకే, డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్, సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు what? Do plus. Now coming to the question again, this downstream 20 kilometers distance is given. In the downstream distance is given 20 kilometers, and whereas upstream distance is 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers. Okay. Next, and time is also is given, that is 2 hours, and here also time is given 2 hours only. So both the timings are same here. Okay, now how to find out the equations? Listen very carefully. You know, time is equals to distance by speed. Time is equals to distance by speed. Now, means we are finding for the downstream, children. Now everything I am doing it for the downstream. Now time is 2 hours and the distance is 20 by speed is x plus y. Okay. Now cross multiplication, or you can write here 1, or you can cancel 2 ones, 2 tens. So cross multiplication of x plus y into 1 is x plus y equals to 10. So this is equation 1. These are all simple things, simple calculations you have to learn. So you can save the time. 2 ones, 2 tens. So 10 by x plus y. So here 1 is left. So cross multiplication, x plus y into 1 is x plus y equal to 10. Now coming to upstream, children, again time is equals to distance by speed. That is 2 hours equals to 4 by x minus y. And this one also, any chances for cancellation? 2 ones, 2 twos. Okay. So again x minus y equals to 2. So you got the second equation. Now by solving these two equations, you are going to get the speed of the rowing of the stream and speed of the current. Okay. So this is, you can find any method, either elimination or substitution, whichever method you like. Okay. Okay children, now coming to the second question in that, 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. Okay. While 3 women and 6 men can finish the work in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work, and also the time taken by one man alone. That means, just I'll give you an example. Here, just to construct one house, just simply I am giving, children. Here, to construct one house, nearly 5 members are there. Just simply 5 members are there. They are taking nearly 30 days time. How many days time? 5 members together, they can finish the work in 30 days. But if alone means how much he can do in 1 day? Means in 1 day how much they can finish the work? Alone ante okal single ga 5 members unnaru kada, not 5 members, alone. If alone can do the work, means alone ante it's nothing but, you know, for 1 day how much work they can do? 5 men total together they can do in 30 days. But 1 man can do the work in how many days? 1 by 30. 1 by 30 means అదే వర్క్ ని ఒక మెన్ 1 by 30 చేస్తాడు. అంటే ద హోల్ వర్క్ 1 man చేయాలి కదా, ఒక రోజుకి ఎంత చేస్తాడు? 1 by 30. Okay, like that you have to find this question. Already this type of question we discussed in some other exercise, like 2 taps are there, like larger diameter and smaller diameter. Okay. Next, coming to here, the question is second question. Here, what we have to take it now? X. Okay. Listen very carefully now. So here, take here, let the time taken by one woman. Let the time taken by one woman equals to x days. So let the time taken by one woman alone means alone ante single ga, one woman alone can finish the work in x days. Okay. Now one woman 1 day's work అంటే one woman ఒక రోజులో ఎంత పని చేస్తుంది? One woman ఒక రోజులో ఎంత పని చేస్తుంది? That means one woman 1 day's work equals to 1 by x. Let the time taken by one woman equals to x days. One woman 1 day అంటే ఒక woman ఒక రోజులో ఎంత వర్క్ చేస్తుంది, యాక్చువల్ వర్క్ x days లో చేయాలి. ఒక రోజుకి ఎంత చేస్తుంది, 1 by x. ఓకే, సిమిలర్లీ let the time taken by one man in y days. Okay, so one man 1 day work, that is 1 by y. Okay, so one man 1 day work is 1 by x. One woman 1 day work is 1 by x. One man 1 day work is 1 by y. Now what you ask question, you can write as man. In the question it is given man. Okay, now 2 women and 5 men can together finish the work in embroidery work in 4 days. There also they gave 4 days. 4 days ante 1 by 4 only. Okay, 2 men. 1 woman 1 day work is 1 by x. Then here how many men here? 2 women. Then the question is given first condition 2 women. Simply I am writing 2 women 1 day work. That means 2 into 1 by x. That is 2 by x. Next, how many men? 5 men. 5 men equals to 5 into 1 by y. That is 5 by y. That is 5 by y. To both together can complete the work. 2 by x plus 5 by y equals to, in 4 days they given, no? So that one also we have to convert for 1 day. That means 1 by 4. Together, no? So 1 by 4. So now take this equation 1. Now coming to the second condition. There, while 3 women, here 3 women. So 3 women equals to 3 into 1 by x, that is 3 by x. And how many men there? 6 men. 6 men equals to 6 into 1 by y. So that is 6 by y. Now 3 women and 6 men together, they are doing how many days is taking? 3 days. 3 days. That means according to the question 3 by x plus 6 by y equals to 1 by 3. So this is equation 2. As we discussed earlier, how to solve this type of question when there is variables in the denominator. As I told you, very shortcut there. So we can take here, let 1 by x equals to a and 1 by y equals to b. So then you can frame this equation very easily. 2a plus 5b equals to 1 by 4. Now you do simplification and frame an equation. Similarly, 3a plus 6b equals to 1 by 3. So again just do what? You can take common here and we can see that if any cancellation, or you can simplify it. So after this simplification, again substitute the values of a and b in 1 by x and 1 by y. So you will get the values of 1 by x and 1 by y. Okay. Now there you have to be very careful. Suppose there you got 1 by x equals to a. So substitute the value of a, then you are going to get the value of x. You should be very particular. That means time taken by one woman you will get the x days, and time taken by one man will be get y days. So be very careful children. At the end you have to write. Okay. Next, coming to the third question and the last question, okay, in this exercise. Okay children, see the last question of this exercise. Rohi travels 300 kilometers to her home partly by train and partly by bus. That means to cover 300 kilometers distance, Rohi, okay, she is traveling through train and by bus. she takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus. Okay, that is the first condition. And the second condition, if she travels 100 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus, if she takes 10 minutes longer in the sense, mundu danikanna 10 minutes extra. Okay, next, find the speed of the train and the bus separately. So speed of the train and speed of the bus is asking. So whatever they are asking, we don't know. So speed of the train, we will take it as x, and here speed of the bus equals to, we can take it as y kilometers per hour. Okay, next. Next, coming to the question again. Rohit travels 300 kilometers. Okay, total distance is 300. She take 4 hours time. That means time, total time is 4 hours. Okay, in first condition. Now, by train, how much she travel? 60 kilometers, right? She take 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train. By train, she travel 60 kilometers. Means out of 300, she traveled by train 60 kilometers, and bus remaining means what? Out of 300 remaining. So 300 minus this will be bus. So bus will be how much? 300 minus 60. That means 240 kilometers. So 240 kilometers she traveled in bus, and she traveled in train 60 kilometers. Total 300. Next. Okay. Now this is what? Distance. No? This is distance, and this is also distance. Okay. Children, here speed of the train also is there. Now time is equals to what? Distance by speed. Okay. This is the time what? Total time, not speed of the train. That means speed of the train and train plus bus total distance together. Train lo travel chesindi, bus lo travel chesindi, together she is taking 4 hours. Okay. Train 60 kilometers. Time is equals to distance by speed. Okay. Distance how much? Train 60. Speed how much? X. So 60 by x. Leave it like that. Next. Bus. Time is equals to distance by speed. Distance how much? 240. So speed how much? Y. Okay. So this time is equals to distance by speed. Now total together ante train plus bus ante ee rendu ante 60 by x plus 240 by y. Together she took 4 hours train. Is it clear? Ante distance time here time of train 60 by x, time of bus 240 by y. Total together rendu kalipi travel chesindi, she took 4 hours. So we can write this equation as 60 by x plus 240 by y equals to 4. So still if you want to do simplification, we can do, children. If you want, you can take 60 common. Then 1 by x plus 4 by y equals to 4. So this 60 will come here. So 1 by x plus 4 by y equals to 4 by 60. So 4 ones 4, 4 5. So 1 by 15. That means 1 by x plus 4 by y equals to 1 by 15 is one equation. Okay. Next. This is first equation. Now coming to the second equation. If she travels 100 kilometers by train, second condition I am telling you. Second condition, by train how much? 100 kilometers. And by bus remaining, that means 200 kilometers. Why? Because total 300. Now, Do you know time? Time is equals to distance by speed. That means 100 by speed of the train how much? X, and time is equals to distance by speed, that is 200 by y. But these two total distance, ఈ రెండు టోటల్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత టైం తీసుకుంది? 10 minutes more longer. 10 minutes longer means first how much she took? 4 hours. దానికన్నా 10 minutes extra. That means 100x plus 200y equals to 4 hours plus 10 minutes. So 10 minutes can be written as 10 by 60 because we have to change it into hours. So 10 ones 10, 6. That means 4 1 by 6. That is 6 4s are 24 plus 1. So 25 by 6. That means 100 by x plus 200 by y equals to 25 by 6. Still if you want, you can take here 100 common and you can make still simplification. Okay, you can make still simplification and you will get the answer. If you want, you can take here 100 common, children. If you take 100 common, 1 by x plus 2 by y equals to 25 by 6. So 25 ones, 25 fours. Like that you can do cancellation. Okay, after this solve for again x and y values. Okay, now coming to the last sum, that is in 3.4, I think so. Yeah, 3.4, page number 57, second Roman, third sum. Okay, second Roman, third sum. Okay children, listen very carefully. The sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times the number, this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. Actually, what is this number, reversing number? I'll tell you first. Here, in the childhood, if you have seen 25. 25 can be expanded form. Means it's a 2-digit number. So, how to write in expanded form? 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. So, you can write 2 into 10 plus 5 also. That means, what do you observe here, children? Always the tens digit here multiplied with 10. Tens digit is multiplied with 10. So 10 into 20. So 20 plus 5 is 25. So this is 2-digit number. Okay, 2-digit number ante meeku complete ga brain lo light alagali. Okay, tens digit should be multiplied with 10. Tens digit should be multiplied with 10. Okay, now listen very carefully. In this again they'll ask the number. What is the number? The number is also called as sum of the digits. Means the number means we have to add that. That I'll tell you. Original number. And these are the names for this only. Original number anna, the number anna. Okay. That's all. Original number and the number. Means these are the same names for these two. The number also same, original number also same application. Okay, similarly reversing the digits అని అడిగితే how to do? Okay, listen just 2 minutes. Now consider here units digit x and tens digit y. Okay, what you have to write? Units digit x and tens digit y. Now what we have to write now? The number we have to find. The number. How to find the number means for any sum always they'll ask you the number only first. So the number equals to tens digit should be multiplied with 10. That means 10 into tens digit plus units digit. That means 10 into, what is tens digit we consider here? Y plus units digit x. So the number is 10y plus x. Next, in the question again, if you see, reversing the order అంటే ఆర్డర్ రివర్స్ చేశాడు. అంటే యూనిట్స్ ప్లేస్లోకి ఏమో టెన్స్ వస్తుంది, టెన్స్ ప్లేస్లోకి ఏమో యూనిట్స్. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇంటర్చేంజింగ్ ద డిజిట్స్. రివర్సింగ్ ఆర్డర్, ఆఫ్టర్ రివర్సింగ్ ఆర్డర్ ద నెంబర్, రివర్సింగ్ number you can write otherwise. Reversing the number means after reversing the digits. After reversing the digit, you will get a reversing number, or we can call it as a new number also. This is another name. New number anna reversing number anna same. So దీనికి ఒరిజినల్ నెంబర్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. We can call it as even original number also. Okay, now reversing the number means 10 into units place, that means units digit and plus tens digit. Just we are reversing the digits. So 10 into units digit means what? X. So 10x plus y. So this is the number and reversing them. Now come to question again. The sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. I am not discussed till that one. Okay. Also 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Actual logic is here only. Once again I am reading the question. Listen very carefully. Read the question very carefully. 9 times this number. 9 times this number ante this number ante idi. So 9 times ante 9 into 10y plus x equals to twice ante 2 into twice the number of reversing the order of the digits. Ante order of the digits reverse చేసిన తర్వాత వచ్చిన number ని అంటే 10x plus y. Understood? That means 9 tens are 90 plus 9 into x 9x, 2 tens are 20, x plus 2y. So now bring all the x to one side. That means 20x plus 9x means minus 9x. You are bringing this side all, okay? Plus 2y minus 90y equals to 0. That means I brought all to this side. So 20x minus 9x, that is 11x. 90 minus 2 is 88y equals to 0. So you can take 11 common. 11x minus 8y equals to 0. So x minus 8y equals to 0 is equation 1. Okay, that is equation 1. Next, now how will you get the second equation? Second equation he gave very clearly. The sum of the two digits of number, sum of the digits of two-digit number. అంటే రెండు డిజిట్లు కలిపితే 9 వస్తుంది. అంటే 2 digits అంటే x ని టెన్స్ డిజిట్. ఈ నెంబర్ అడగలేదు చూసుకోండి. ఇక్కడే మీరు you will get confused. Read the question. The sum of the digits of two-digit number. Sum of the digits of two-digit number. అంటే 2-digit number అంటే x plus y equals to 9. So that is second equation. The number means completely different. The number ante 10 into tens digit plus units digit. Reversing the number means 10 into units digit plus tens digit. You should be very careful. Okay. Now we can solve the equation for the x and y. Okay. Then you will get the solution. So by this we completed our syllabus, children. Yesterday and or day before yesterday. So I have sent the case study questions, I think so. Okay, so like for the model sake I have sent. So practice those all. If any doubts you can ask me. Okay, still from tomorrow onwards we completely do revision. Okay, so I'll send the MCQs immediately. If you have any doubts, immediately you can just send one message so and so, then I'll find out, and the next day, okay, we have either Google Meet or I'll take one video and I'll explain. Okay. If it is mostly by means, suppose morning I am giving you questions, by the end of the day at least you'll send me message, then we'll conduct the meeting for those people only, because the people who have doubts, so they can come to the Google Meet. Okay, understood children? So have a nice day and all the best for your exams. Okay.